Hello, in this presentation we're going to talk about the help options within QuickBooks Online. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info. Here we are at the QuickBooks Online dashboard. We will be continuing with the Get Great Guitars problem. We're going to be talking about the help options available for QuickBooks Online. There's a lot of options to look for help within the QuickBooks Online system. One is to use the QuickBooks Online help option here to search for items that we can get help with. The other is to look for options that are outside of QuickBooks. If we want to get help directly from QuickBooks, directly from Intuit, we would typically have to pay for that extra support. However, because QuickBooks is used by so many people, because it's one of the most used softwares, there is a lot of help out there that can be searched just simply with a Google search or a YouTube search. And there are a lot of professionals that are bookkeepers and are accounting professionals who often specialize within QuickBooks and specific problems related to QuickBooks. So when you have a problem, when you have a question, the first area to go to would probably be this help icon here, which will be within the QuickBooks program, within QuickBooks Online. You could go through these items down here or type in the area we need help with. So if we would type in, for example, payroll, and select that item, we will then have the typical kind of help items here where we can select these and it'll give us a hyperlink to what we're looking for. So if we wanted, for example, turn on payroll or explore the payroll options available, we can go here and it will go through some of the information in terms of turning on payroll within the US, and it go through and give us that information. So this is going to be the typical kind of search through. It's got a lot of information within here. It's pretty well set up search engine to go through that information. If you want to find more help options, you could then, of course, do a Google search. If you were to do that, then you do want to differentiate some of the different types of programs that you're having. So if you're in the QuickBooks Online version, clearly you want to be mindful of that and make sure that the information you're looking up is for the QuickBooks Online version, which will be very different looking in format than the desktop version. If you seek help within QuickBooks, there's different type of licensing programs for QuickBooks certification type process to get people that are specifically trained within QuickBooks, and or of course you can go to a CPA firm to get help within QuickBooks as well. If you do search for someone to help you out with your bookkeeping, you want to just make sure that they kind of have experience within QuickBooks, and make sure that if you're using the QuickBooks Online version, that we're talking to someone who does have the experience with the QuickBooks Online version. Of course, YouTube is also another location now that has a lot of instructional videos. Some of them are really old, some of them are not up to date and not done well, but some are, and therefore you could find information there as well. Just note that you may not find everything that's totally correct there, but if you do some searching around, you can find some relevant information there. So the first place you want to go is going to be the help menu here if you have a question, and or your CPA firm or your tax professional. And then if it's not being found there, or you'd like to see a demonstration of it, possibly more demo in terms of pictorial demo, which might be found in a Google search, or some type of visual demonstration for video, then YouTube are two areas we can go to there. And then if you would like to look for professionals that are either accounting professionals or QuickBooks professionals, there's many of them out there just because of the size of the software and how prevalent it is within small to mid-sized businesses. So you can find many people that can help with that as well. Just make sure that you know what you're looking for in terms of what type of help they want in terms of you're using, in this case, the online version.